palarin mo na. Hello guys, so mag-art tayo horror game. Yup. I already played it.
May tablet ko yan, guys.
Ito yung tablet ni Kuya Ace. At nagpapalaro siya kasi nakakatakot ko. Guys, tignan mo, pangit siya, oh. Shut it. Nag-glitch ba? Nag-glitch? Nag-glitch ba? My God. You're just literally just... Why do she? Bintay mo ako. What the? Wow. Ako nga palaro ka. Ikaw, hawak ko. Wala kasi guys recorder yan, kaya naka-video na lang kami sa cellphone. Ang gagawin namin, dapat makagawa kami ng video ng about mga 6 na monsters yan, may naka-line pa yan dyan. Kalayin mo pa iba ng mga mamatay. Okay, natakot na siya.
1 minute.
Wow! Natayo ko! Ha? Guys, ignore the sound! Ignore the sound! What the hell is that thing? Shut it! Shut it yun, shut it sinabi ko. That's kind of tricky. Got it. Guys, this is Lauren. Did you guys see that? Katakot. Tatapusin ko to. Okay, yes sir. Yep. I'd rather sleep in any place. Okay, sleep under this thing. Not to sleep under this thing. Okay, I want to look up first. Where's the yellow? Oh my god. That's the girl. Oh my god. Hindi, kalay mo siya i-chat din yung girl, di ba? Yung girl na sa sa wheelchair. Huwag mo lang tingnan yung face! Wow, so scary. I would rather run away far away than this place. Locked eh. Lock na naman. I'm looking down. Where? I'm looking down. What's that sound, bro? Open that thing. Oh. Okay, probably no food. No ghost inside. My mama. Puting siya. I would rather die than go this way. Ha? Okay daw, die daw. Okay, put this egg. Takot, girl. Sinigdog mo? Maglaro? Ha? Ha? Pwede tayo maglaro? Tapos yan? Ha? Natakot. Nakapidya ako. Guys, very pushed talaga to. At ito, 1%. What? Naka ano yan eh.
Tingin nga. Tingin nga, ganun mo nga.
Wait.
Ayun o, naka-red. Matagal malubat yan.
Okay. minute. Not my problem. That is not my problem. Oh, I keep messing up the thing. Adi Tata, can you please talk? You'll be quiet. Guys, na-on ko siya. Oh, nasaan siya? I don't know. Napakraban. Natapos niya? Hindi. Ano? Hindi naman ako nakatingin. Hindi ko naman nakita siya namatay. No! Sino naman? Ako yung video. Ako magbibideo.